Welcome back. So, as I was saying, that no matter what, you have to wake up every morning and you have to go for work. Once you come back home, you give yourself a pep talk, and once you wake up from your good night's sleep, you again motivate your own self. And I think that's the discipline that one needs to have, irrespective what. Because the 2 days are never going to be the same. There's a day that is going to be absolutely awesome and you're going to feel top of the world, and then the next day is going to be dull. That's the nature of work, and irrespective, even if you're going for job, it's going to be the same only. Every day you can't be the best, every day can't be an absolutely amazing wonderful day. Come what may, you just have to wake up every morning and you have to go for work. That's what I have been doing, motivating myself. My husband has been motivating me almost every day, because when you don't crack a particular sale, even after putting in so much of hard work, you do feel a setback, right? So I have been feeling that as well, but never mind, something greater is being made for you. It's just work in progress. We all are work in progress, aren't we? So yeah, that's how Lace and Lilin came about, and my friends have been very supportive. So a couple of learnings that I have had for this past 1 year is that I have been doing a lot of exhibitions. Some content of some that I have already posted and some I have not, because there wasn't much to actually post because I did not have any kind of footfall. So the thing with exhibition, for the past 1 year that I've been doing, is what I've learned that it's firstly, when you are getting into this exhibition space, no, you have to pay a certain amount of money to book a table, and then your traveling cost comes in, and you source a lot of clothes. Not source a lot of clothes, I mean, like, you buy pieces, because when you're starting off, absolutely nobody gives you credit, right? Because they don't know you, so how would they give you credit any which ways? So once you start working with a particular manufacturer or a wholesaler for, say, a span of 3 years, 5 years, and they get to know you and they know that you are going to come back, it's then that the trust factor comes in, and it's then that they give you credit. But otherwise, I don't see a reason why would anybody give me credit. It's same for me, right? Like, somebody I know, if they say, okay, I'll buy one piece today and I'm giving you 50%, and I'm just booking the other one that I like. So if I know that person and I don't want to lose up on the sale, I would do that for that person. But if somebody who's absolutely unknown to me, I mean, from where will that trust factor even come, that I will, just blindly trust that person and hold another piece with 50% of booking amount? That doesn't work. It doesn't work like that. So that's that.